Hey, this is Neil with Now Property Investments. So today we are at a house in DeSoto, and the house is pretty beat up. What we believe happened is there was a fire probably about a year or so ago that pretty much wiped out all of the insides of the house, and the house was already pretty old, but it pretty much beat it up pretty bad. So we're out here looking to see what it's going to take to get this house back in tip-top shape again. It has a lot of potential. It's a huge home. It's about 3,000 square feet. A lot of people would be scared of a house like this simply because working with fire damage and having to deal with like plumbing and like foundation and everything like that. But we at Now Property Investments, that doesn't matter to us. We'll buy homes as is, no matter what the condition is. As long as the numbers make sense for us, we will purchase it. Look at this, has a beautiful little river in the back. So it's going to be a beautiful home for whoever really likes to be one with nature. So as I said, we buy homes as is. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com. We'll give you a no hassle offer on your home, and we can close when you want. So again, it's www.nowpropertyinvest.com.